My name is Mohamed Kheri. I'm the senior warden in charge of Shimba Hills National Reserve. Most of the conservation issues, we are working in partnership with WWF. So to me, I can say WWF is a vital organization or a vital system within our system of conservation in Kwale. The problem is that the fence is not in good condition. So most of the time, the animals get out of the reserve to the people's shambas. Every county in this country is proud of whatever resource they have. And fortunately in Kwale, the resources we have is wildlife. So most of the time we are now coming up with a situation where instead of seeing wildlife as a menace, we want them to feel that the wildlife is also a blessing to them, because now it is something which they can get a livelihood out of them. The strategy now is that we are coming up with a new design of a fence, which will be taken through by our community wildlife officer. In fact, that design, we have taken it from Laikipia. It's a design from Laikipia, where we have the Wazungu's chambers there. They have done it well. So maybe we want to replicate that kind of fence here within the Kwale system.